So this is a tough problem. It's a warm up for the end of 12.4 and right before 12.5. Cube is inscribed inside of a sphere, so we need our sphere first. Ooh, that's bad. Slightly better. And in it is a sphere. You're intimidated and trying to draw this. Good. It's very hard. Something like that. Now, the radius of the sphere is 5. So our question is, what's the volume inside the sphere that's not inside the cube? So we need to do volume of the sphere minus volume of the cube. Sounds easy enough. We know the radius is 5. So volume of the sphere is a piece of cake. We just crank it out, and I'll leave pi in the answer for now, and I'll leave it as a decimal again for now. So we get 500 pi over 3 units to the third. Now life is tricky, and I've actually never figured out how to do this going forward. But I did figure out how to do it going backwards. Let's look at the top of the cube. Let's just look at the back of it. Actually, I'll draw it in for now, and then I'll erase it later. This is the top of the cube, and we're going to call the sides S. We should recognize it's a square with a right angle here. So that would be S root 2. The top diagonal, that is. So if we go down the side, and we say, well, what's this line here? Well, this is also a side, and this is also a right angle. So the question mark here, call it x for the time being, we'd get s squared plus s root 2 squared equals x squared. S squared plus 2s squared equals x squared. 3s squared equals x squared. S squared equals x squared over 3. S equals, my bad, I want x. Got carried away with the algebra there. X equals s root 3, which makes sense when you think about it. That's s root 2, s root 2, s root 3. And that distance x is over here in purple from here to here. Well, these touch the edge of the circle, and each piece is 5. So the whole distance, of course, is 10, because that's the radiuses. So 10 equals s root 3. S equals 10 over root 3. Rationalize it real quick. 10 root 3 over 3. That's the side of the cube. Lost yet? I hope not. So the volume of the cube is just that to the third. Each side, 10 root 3 to the third, which is 100, 1000 times 3 root 3 over 3 times 3 times 3. Big number. So volume of the cube, cancel, 1000 root 3 over 9. So this was a long way to get here. Volume of sphere minus cube equals, let's put some numbers in since we're going to get a decimal eventually anyway. 523.6 minus 192.5. We get 331 units cubed. That's a very, very, very challenging problem. I wanted to give you guys a chance to play with it, see what you could get out of it. Curious if anybody has a better way to solve it. So tell me next time I see you.